Hey, it's Kid Guru here, or somebody know me as Laker Coolman, or either one, vice versa. Anyways, guys, a lot of questions I've been getting on Vista lately. A lot of people want to see more tips on how to speed up Vista. So I will be making a Vista Formula videos, or overviews of how to speed up Vista in series. I've done a couple videos, and today will just pretty much be an overview of a lot of ways you can speed it up. So and stuff like that. I'll be coming out with new tips every time I learn something, or every time I discover a new thing, or anything like that, or anything comes out. Anything of that nature, I will post up. So as you see here, the new background. Anyways, guys, first starting off, this is a pretty common thing. I did mess up one of my older videos. Classic does help the speed of Vista. Now I thought that there's some whole, not something. I won't even get into it. Anyways, guys, back to the classic is always a great tip. So go to right-click your desktop, go to personalize, and go to go to your where is it here? Theme. So basically, this is an overview of stuff like this that I'll be teaching in my formula of how to speed up Vista. Basically, all my videos, stuff like that. And right now, you have your current theme, and there is modified theme, favorite theme, and Windows Classic. Now, Windows Classic does make the system much more responsive. And actually, I'm going to switch into that right now. So, Vista, doubt it's not. Granted, it's not going to be as pretty as liked it to be. It's not going to be any all the arrow effects and stuff are going to go away, but tell you guys, Classic makes the system much more responsive. And as you see here, that's just my new website I'm working on, sorry about that. Here is Windows Vista running without Classic mode. So looks pretty ordinary, but still you can see that little gloss in there. The icons still stay intact, you just get a different bar. And actually, guys, I think I'm going to stick to this. So as you see here, and I'm just gonna hit OK. You can still put your background and stuff like that. But anyways, so always going to the theme, and see it's much responsive using Classic, and it takes away a lot of your little glossy effects, stuff like that. So that's a great tip. Always always clear. Always, if you want a really great performance. Oh, I accidentally clicked IE there. Your search stays intact. Everything like that stays intact. If you want a good, I'm just going to exit that. You can always change it back if you want. I'm just going to add a different background and stuff like that, because I don't really use Vista's arrow at all. But anyways, guys, back to the theme, back to Classic is always a good way to get, speed up. Okay, next I'm going to talk about, oh wow, that was actually fast. I'm going to talk about Ready Boost. Basically, this is, you can use external media, meaning I'm talking about flash drives or pen drives, whatever you want to call them. Plug it in. Basically, right-click it, go to properties, and it has to be like a. Now they recommend it should be the same memory as your laptop, desktop. Say you have desktop 2 gigs, you wanna, preferably you would want a thumb drive with 2 gigs. Then you click it, and then you go to this tab, and you right-click, go to properties, go to this tab that says Ready Boost. Basically, what this will do is it will store, speed up your system by utilizing the available space on the device. So it'll move like the memory of some applications, stuff like that, onto this external device, so that it can hold it up. The system runs faster. It can feed off the pen drive as imagine plugging in an external hard drive. Now people confuse this. It will not speed up any gaming stuff like that. It does speed up application stuff like that. It doesn't speed. It won't act as in, you can use more. This doesn't count as RAM or anything like that. You can't, pull it out, and if you pull it out, it's not going to store all your data on there. It's just going to be using it for the time that Ready Boost needs to be, until unplugs, and Ready Boost will stop and direct it all back to your system. So Ready Boost is another great way to use to get external media and stuff like that onto a flash drive and make Vista run much smoother and faster. Okay, moving on here. Like I said, always msconfig. Keep in mind msconfig. I'll post links of stuff like services and stuff like that you can disable within Vista. So msconfig, msconfig, and services. Within the services and startup items, you always want to look at those. Always just, you know, keep these to a minimum. Right now mine are pretty minimum because these all don't run at startup. My Norton protection does. Of course, you want your virus running right at startup. My Java does. My other protection, ClamWin, runs up. Touchpad runs up because I'm on a laptop. Vongo shouldn't run up. I'll disable that. Other than that, that's it. You know, you can, like as you see here, I have to disable a lot of stuff. But as you see here, my Skype, my Steam, my Expose, it's all not running at startup. Steam is a thing that, you know, makes a lot of stuff, a lot of computers kind of chunky, slow startup. It increases startup speed because it's not running as many apps as it, you know, starts up with. Services, I haven't really gone to services, but you guys really take some time if you really want a fast computer. Take time, you know, set aside a day on the weekend or, you know, something like that to go through your computer and just go through and check out stuff you don't need. I'll post a link on stuff you can disable, stuff that's safe to disable, why you should disable it if you should not, you know, stuff like that. So make sure you check out the video description. Other than that, guys, my tutorials upcoming will have a lot of more tips. That's just an overview of stuff I go over in speeding up Vista. Anyways, those are 3 basic tips to speed up Vista. Make sure you stay tuned for my upcoming formulas, I should say, to speed up Vista. Anyways, guys, this is Kid Gear here saying thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the Vista formula upcoming. This is Tech World Productions. If you want to, you know, a little bit about Tech World, my little tech show, company, stuff like that. If you want to join, sponsor, support, donate, you can email me all at kidgurucenter@gmail.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.